Yes, officer. Why? What happened?
Don't you know you have violated a traffic rule? You have exceeded the speed limit beyond this area.
Oh, I am so sorry, officer. I didn't notice that I have exceeded already with the speed limit. I was in a hurry because I have a meeting to attend to and I got caught by a traffic.
You should be careful because exceeding this beyond the speed limit might get you in accidents. Always follow the traffic rules and road safety signs.
Alright, police officer, next time I'll be careful and I will always follow the traffic rules.
Sophia, do you know what happened yesterday? What happened, Sila? Yesterday, a traffic police stopped my dad to pay a fine, but I'm not sure what he did so. Your dad must have violated some traffic rule. Traffic rule? What is it? Traffic rules are rules implied by the government for a country for the safety of people on the road. Traffic rules help people in the disciplined manner. Please, can you tell me more about the traffic rules? Sure! The most important traffic rule is the traffic lights. Come on, let's go outside. Sila, can you see the traffic lights? Yes, I can see it. Traffic lights guide people when to stop, slow down, or to go. Traffic lights consist of 3 colors: red, yellow, and green. Red means stop, yellow means slow down, and green means go. Here are some road safety tips. Look both ways while crossing a street. Never cross if vehicles are coming. Use the zebra crossing only when you see the vehicles are stopped and walking man is green. Wear a helmet when riding a two-wheeler. It protects us from the injury. Be conscious of driveways and alleys and moving on a sidewalk. Always wear a seatbelt while in the car. When getting fuel a car, always turn the engine off or it may catch fire. Always follow the correct speed for the car. Don't drive too fast. Always check your vehicle's tires, brakes. Don't use your mobile phone while walking, driving, or riding any vehicle. Wow, that was amazing, the things you told me about road safety. I'll keep that on mind. It is really important to obey the traffic rules to protect the safety of the drivers, passengers, and pedestrians. Thank you, Sophia. I learned a lot today. You're welcome, Sila. I have to go now. Bye, Sila. Bye, Sophia.
Hello guys, how are you today? How's your vacation? Oh, it was good, Sarah. I just visited my hometown in Thailand.
Oh, that was nice.
It's nice to be back at school. Yeah, it was nice to be back, classmates.
Johan, Dharma, come on, it's almost lunchtime. Let's eat now.
Sarah, did you forget that today is start of Ramadan and people are fasting? Zaid is Muslim, so we need to respect him.
Oh, I almost forgot. I'm sorry, Zaid. I didn't mean that.
It's okay, Sarah. I have to go now, guys. It's Salah now, and I have to pray. I'm back, guys. Zaid, why is Johan always wearing that cross necklace? Is it for fashion? I don't know, Dharma. Let's ask Sila. Sila, why is Johan wearing that cross necklace? Crosses are often worn as an indication of commitment to the Christian faith or received as gifts for rites such as baptism and confirmations. Christians believe that the wearing of cross offers the wearer protection from evil. Oh, I see that's what it means. Let's just respect his religion, beliefs, and culture. Oh, you are right. Come on, it's time to go home now. Bye bye, guys.